Hi, this dance is called MaŞallah, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia and Kim Calvin from Indonesia. There are 64 count, 2 walls, easy intermediate level line dance. Consists of part A, 24 count, and part B, 40 count. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the part A, 24 count, section 1. Step diagonally forward, lock behind, step, lock, step. Okay, and then to the right, to the left, step diagonally forward, lock behind, step, lock, step. Okay, section 2, rock forward, recover, half turn right, lock, shuffle forward, rock forward, recover, coaster, step. And section 3, to touch diagonally forward with hip roll out and then step back. To touch diagonally forward with hip roll out, step back, and then to touch forward, hold, and then do shimmy shoulders, 2 count. 7, 2 count. Okay. Now, let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now part B. Section 1. Side touch to side, and then hip bump, up, down, up, cross behind, side, cross over, and then do the same touch to side, and then hip bump, up, down, up, cross behind, side, cross over. Okay, and then section 2, forward mambo, and then step touch back and unwind to left, weight on left foot, and then side mambo, right and left. Then section 3, samba whisk to left, and then volta turn 3/4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, section 4 with the same but on the other way around. Samba whisk to the left and then to the right, and then volta turn 3/4 to left, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, and the last section, or section 5, lock shuffle forward, half turn to right, step forward, and then step lock shuffle forward, and then cross right foot, and then half unwind to left, weight on the left foot. Okay, let me repeat with the count. Part B. Section 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 5, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, the sequence of the dance is the A, or 3 times, A, and then B, twice, and then repeat 3 times A, and then 3 times B, B, and then pause. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.